Hello everyone, this is just an ad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Galanz microwave. This is the color blue. So I've got a microwave dinner I'm going to warm up with it, but it sticks out from the wall about 14 inches. Left to right, you're about 17 and a half. Height-wise, you're about 10 and a half. Let's open it up. It's got a light in there, so inside you're looking at about 10 by 11, and height-wise about 7. Now let's go over the display. Now if you ever try to open it up when it's running, it's got a lock on it. So here we can turn the time. We got to cancel, see if it's flashing. That's the current time in the house. But rotate this, that's going to change the time. And then just hit the start button. But now if I try to open it, there is a lock. I got to stop it. And then I can open it. Or if time expires, then I'll be able to open it. But there is a little lock in there that does that. It's got a really nice kind of retro look. And again, I can hit the clock and rotate it, set what timer I want, or the clock. Let's go and hold this, and it'll set the time. Hour 12. Rotate it to whatever you want, what time. There's the time set. Now, again, when I rotate this, it's going to, then I can change this, cancel. You have to cancel a lot to get the display to go to 0. I can go power level, 100%, or I can dial that down. Oh, to change the power level, just keep pressing it. So I want 100%. I can go, let's go cancel, defrost. And, oh, there's an unlock button. Okay, so there. Okay, so I've got some time set. Let's start the microwave. And I could pause, open it, and hit again, or there is an unlock button, which is kind of like pause. So this is just a cute little microwave. Let's put this in 3. I think it works really well. I've cooked some stuff in it. Cancel. Okay, let's go up to 3 minutes and hit start. We can sort of see what's going on in there, but it's kind of a neat little microwave. Here's the wattage, 1,100 watts, output 700 watts. Oven capacity is 0.7 cubic feet, 23 pounds, 120 volts, 60 hertz. So the power consumption is 1,100 watts, but the cooking power is 700 watts. Let's just go through the manual. We got display, defrost, timer, unlock, pause, cancel. Here's setting the clock. It does have a child safety lock feature. Quick microwaving. Time defrost, weight defrost, shows you the different weights. It does have a control panel lock. Okay, again, I can't just pull it open. I got to hit pause, then I can pull it open. Ooh, see, it's cooking. It's cooking really good. It'll pick up right where it left off. The display is nice and easy to read. I really do like this Galanz retro microwave. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.